When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal and market value, few upgrades offer the same return on investment as new windows. But while many homeowners in East Northport focus on the style or energy rating of the windows themselves, the quality of the installation is just as critical. Proper window installation not only maximizes the benefits of your investment but also helps protect your home's long-term value. The connection between window installation and home value. Homebuyers in East Northport are increasingly savvy about energy efficiency, structural integrity, and maintenance costs. A poorly installed window can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and even mold growth, all red flags for potential buyers. By contrast, properly installed windows give buyers peace of mind. They know the home is not only beautiful but also well protected and efficient. When buyers see high-quality windows installed by professionals, it signals that the current owner has cared for the property. This perception alone can raise a home's market appeal, often translating into a higher resale price. Energy efficiency that pays off. East Northport's climate, with cold winters and humid summers, makes energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Even the most advanced energy-saving window loses much of its effectiveness if installed incorrectly. Gaps around the frame or misalignment can allow drafts to seep through, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. Proper installation ensures that insulation is tight and seals are secure. This means lower utility bills, a feature that is highly attractive to prospective buyers. In many cases, the energy savings alone can offset the cost of the upgrade over time, making the investment doubly valuable. Protecting against moisture and structural damage. One of the hidden dangers of poor window installation is water infiltration. East Northport's seasonal rains and coastal humidity can cause long-term damage if water seeps into the wall structure. Over time, this can compromise wood framing, drywall, and even the home's foundation. Professional installers use the correct flashing techniques and sealing materials to ensure that windows are watertight. This protection against moisture not only extends the lifespan of your windows but also safeguards your home's structural integrity. Home inspectors and appraisers take note of these details, often giving higher ratings to homes that demonstrate strong weatherproofing. Enhancing curb appeal. In addition to functional benefits, proper installation enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. Misaligned windows or uneven trim can be noticeable from the street and diminish a property's appearance. On the other hand, expertly installed windows sit flush, operate smoothly, and complement the home's design. For East Northport homeowners preparing to sell, curb appeal can make or break a buyer's first impression. Fresh, properly installed windows communicate quality and care, which can help your home stand out in a competitive market. Peace of mind through warranty protection. Many premium window brands offer warranties that cover the product but require professional installation for coverage to remain valid. DIY or improper installation can void these protections, leaving homeowners responsible for repair or replacement costs. By hiring a certified installer, East Northport homeowners not only ensure the job is done right but also secure warranty coverage that can be transferred to future buyers. This added layer of protection increases buyer confidence and home value. Conclusion: a smart investment for East Northport homeowners. While it's tempting to view windows simply as a style upgrade, the installation process is where the true value lies. Proper window installation enhances energy efficiency, protects against costly structural damage, and adds curb appeal, all of which contribute directly to higher home value. For homeowners in East Northport looking to maximize their property's worth, professional window installation isn't just an option, it's an investment in the long-term health, beauty, and marketability of their home.